called Capture. On the other machine, it's called Clip Store, and then I don't know what it's called. We'll have to look. But you've all touched the button, I'm sure, without meaning it. But it makes, instead of still images, it makes mini movies. So when we're doing that biometry and we're watching this thing move around, or as part of the TRA protocols, I'm moving through that gallbladder. Is there a storm here? Also, if I have a pathology, I'm going to label, SAG, kidney, SAG right kidney, lateral to medial, and just kind of give them an indication of where I'm at. So we'll do SAG, placenta, right to left. So you guys were used to doing that landscape where our probe followed, right? We kind of went the same direction. This is just us taking here's an image, now here's an image, now here's an image, now here's an image, all at once. So here we go. I'm going to push this capture button, and it will come up with a little hourglass. And every machine is slightly different in the length of time, and you'll just get used to your machine and how it works. And sometimes, especially for those baby brains, it goes too quickly for me. And I'm like, I need more time when I really want to show this landscape. And so you might have to do so I do midline to right, midline to left, instead of doing the whole brain at once. And some machines you can change, on the software you can change the length of the clip. Other times you're like, hey, I'm done, and it's still going, no, I'm done, I don't need any more. And then the other thing that this machine can do is say I'm scanning, and something happens, I can freeze, and then push capture, and it will save the last few seconds of my scan. So that's nice, especially when you're in the middle of doing a BPP or something, and you're like, let me get my AFI, and the baby's like, look at me move, you're like, I didn't get it, so it works easily. So capture, clip store, whatever you want to call it, and on this particular machine, I can scan, then freeze, push that capture button, and it will take the last few. And then when we go into review, we'll get to see what these bad boys look like. So here we go. And then, let me see if I can do this. You can actually manipulate these, at least at my machine at work. You can pause them and review them. And then when they're on packs, you can stop and review them also. So say I forgot to measure something. Not that this would ever happen. I forgot to measure something, but I took a cine clip through it. I would never do that. You can actually stop a cine clip on packs and remeasure something. So I've heard of people doing that. Yeah. Wasn't me. All right, I'm gonna leave her gooped up with her